we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing some trim and a toilet in this hall bath. We unfortunately did not do a video of the rough-in. So when we came in, this was the shower. Tile guy came and demoed everything back, and then we came in and cut back, around the perimeter drywall, and then set the tub provided by the homeowner. So it's I think, who made this? American Standard Color? Whoever it is, homeowner provided it. So that was set. We got mortar in there, and then of course we had to come back in. Not us, but no one was here to do it. It was just the plumber and the tile contractor. So we had to put blocking in all around the perimeter. So cut blocks, put it all around the perimeter. Then of course filled back in all the drywall that was demoed back when we lowered the valve and put the tub spout in. So that was all installed, and then of course our tile guy came back out. Not our tile guy, he's a guy that we've been working with for about 20 years. He's an independent contractor. We don't work on the same ticket. He charges separate than we do, so just to make that clear. But anyways, they picked out this tile and they've got it back in. This is existing out here, an existing floor, and you can see pretty good match there. A couple of insets here. Anyways, to come back, we set a toilet for the homeowner. We didn't know that it was a real fussy toilet. These are the ones that have the adapter that goes down on top. Instead of just a wax ring and 2 bolts, it's got give me that paper over there. And this is a Kohler toilet, so it's got an adapter that sets like this, and then of course it's got some funky bolts that go in. And anyways, it was real fun getting that set, because the tile on the floor, this is original tile floor, the tile around the existing closet flange was too much of it was cut away, so that portion of that new mounting flange that we just showed you on the paper was not resting on tile. So we put some plastic shims in there, tightened it down. We got some more plastic shims underneath the bowl to keep it from rocking. As long as that wax holds, you're in good shape. But we're not big fans of these toilets. We set them, we just don't like them. As far as the mounting for a plumber, it's just takes quite a bit of time. Anyway, so toilet's set. Homeowner doesn't have the seat yet, so they'll get that and they can install that. But the main thing is we want to get this bathroom online and working. So toilet is set. Trim's almost set. We need to get one piece of pipe stubbed out of that wall, brass nipple, so we can get this spout installed. We'd really like to put a brass nipple in as opposed to using this adapter for copper, and the reason being is this is a very substantial spout, very heavy, and so we want something really holding on to this, and brass nipple is going to do it as opposed to a 1/2-inch copper. So we'll get that installed, and we'll run some water through it, and then of course we'll get the shower head installed. We want to run some water through the arm first, just in case there's any debris. We don't clog up the shower head, so we'll get that installed, and outside of that, this installation is done.